Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Installed Zoom, signed into the correct account, and your audio/video devices work. Open the calendar entry or use the meeting ID now. This places you directly into the meeting lobby where you control entry. Once done, admit early arrivals and mute participants by default to prevent feedback. Make sure to share your screen only after closing distracting tabs. This reduces accidental exposure of private content and keeps Next, configure controls that shape the learning environment. Enable the waiting room and set participants to mute on entry. This prevents interruptions, and you can spotlight presenters when needed. Once those are set, pre-configure breakout rooms or polling to save time mid-class, and confirm recording permissions so students know access rules. Make sure to restrict screen sharing to hosts unless you want collaboration. This avoids accidental disruptions. Finally, practice screen sharing and annotation so transitions are smooth during the lesson. To finish setup and run the class, announce the agenda and participant norms, then spotlight your camera or shared content to center attention. Use chat and polls for quick checks and launch breakout rooms when small group work begins. Monitor by joining rooms briefly. Record the session if permitted and finish with a clear summary and next steps. If audio fails, immediately guide students to dial in by phone or have them mute, leave, and rejoin. This resolves most connectivity glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.